Hello friends! Today I come here with a tutorial of a very attractive pancake that does not need an electric mixer. Also, I only need 1 egg to make this delicious pancake. So stay with me and enjoy this tutorial. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: flour 1½ cup, milk 1 cup, sugar 2 tablespoons, egg 1 number, baking powder 1 teaspoon, vanilla 1/4 teaspoon, melted chocolate 200 grams, butter 50 grams, salt as needed. In the first step, I bring the melted chocolate, take it about the size of a tablespoon and put it on greaseproof paper and smooth it a little with a spoon. Now I put the chocolate in the freezer to get hardened. Well, I put the egg into a bowl and add sugar and vanilla to it and stir them with a fork. Remember to take out the milk and egg and butter from the refrigeration 1 hour sooner to reach room temperature. When it looks like this, it's enough. Now I add milk to the mixture and stir it. It's time to add butter to the mixture. I crush the butter with a fork and mix it with the ingredients. Well, as you can see, the butter has looked like this inside the material, which is great. First, I add baking powder and salt to the flour. Now it is time to add flour to the ingredients. So I sift the flour over the mixture in 3 to 4 steps. I turn on the gas and turn down the gas flame and then put the frying pan on it. Now pour half a ladle of pancake mixture into the pan and close the lid. About 2 minutes later, I put one of the chocolate that I had put it in the fridge on the pancake and squeeze it a little. Now I pour some of the pancake mixtures on the chocolate again to cover the chocolate under it. Then I close the lid. You will have about 8 pancakes with these ingredients. After 5 minutes, I turn the pancake so that the other side of it cooks and turns golden. Well, our pancakes are ready. Let's go to the attractive part of decoration. Pancakes, melted chocolate, chocolate board, and honey. Couldn't be better. I hope you cook these delicious pancakes and enjoy eating them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again.